Hey guys, it's Carla with Carla Dreyer Design, and today we're going to talk about how to create a fun and fresh laundry room. And remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every Thursday when I release a new design video. So in this laundry room, it acts as actually kind of a little bit of a mud room and a laundry room. So I wanted to break down the process of designing it and some of the fun elements we added. So the first thing we did in this laundry room is actually decided on the floor, and we chose a tile, but it almost looks like a barn board. It's a really fun, interesting kind of non-laundry room floor, and to make it even more fun, we added it in a diagonal pattern just to add some interest to this laundry room. The second thing we did is removed the upper cabinets. We actually wanted to do an open shelf, so if you don't need the storage, I just think this is a fun way to open up the space and add some detail. We were then able to do a subway tile all the way up with a shelf that then we added some styling with some pictures to it and some baskets that are really useful. We also needed this laundry room to function a little bit as a mud room, and so we had debated about doing a built-in, but two things. One, built-ins can be expensive. Two, also it's actually small space. So instead what we did is just found a really fun bench, and then we put some oversized hooks on the wall and added a fun pillow and basket to it, and it really functions as seating space and somewhere to put your shoes on and take them off. And then it's just adding things that make you feel good when you're doing laundry. So we added a really fun, bright Moroccan rug to the floor, pictures that we love, flowers, vases, to actually make it a space that you enjoy being in. So before starting any decorating or design project, it's great to know what your personal style is. I've created a free Finding Your Style quiz, and you can link to it below. If you like this video, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.